Are you looking for a powerful docking station for your laptop? Here we have a USB-C triple monitor dock provided by TobenOne for review. It's made of nice aluminum metal, easy plug and play with no driver needed. Here we have your front. Up on top, we have your working indicator light. Here we have your on and off button, followed by your USB-C power delivery 20-watt charging port. Next, we have your USB-C 10 gigabytes data port for quick data transfer, your audio interface, microphone or headphone. You have an SD card slot and a micro SD card slot, and your USB-A 10 gigabytes port, another way for quick data transfer. On the rear, you have your Ethernet port. Right below that, you have your USB-C that goes to your laptop. Make sure the USB-C port on your laptop is supported. You can use the included 3-foot USB-C cable. Next, we have your USB-C 100-watt power input. Your 100-watt USB-C power adapter is included. 87 watts to charge your laptop and 20 watts to charge a cell phone. You have a USB-C video port up to 8K, two USB-A 3.0 at 5 gigabytes per second, HDMI 1 up to 8K, two USB 2.0, great for wireless devices, and HDMI 2 up to 8K. You can connect 3 monitors up to 4K or a single monitor up to 8K. Measures at 4.7 inches by 2.9 inches by 2.3 inches tall. Weighs in at 13.8 ounces. We have an easy plug and play setup. On the rear, we're going to go ahead and plug in your first HDMI. Then your second HDMI, and then your USB-C. These all go to monitors. Then I'm gonna go ahead and get your power supply, plug that. Then we're gonna go ahead and get the cable that goes to your laptop. Go ahead and plug that in. Then we take that other end and go ahead and plug it into your laptop. Now that we have everything all complete, the monitors are all powered on, we're going to go ahead and turn on the device. Go ahead and power it on. And it should automatically work. Right now, all the monitors are duplicated. You can go ahead and go into your settings. And we're going to go ahead and extend. Now we can have everything extended to 4 different monitors. You have one monitor here. Open up a file, bring it here. Open up another one, bring it here. And another one, bring it on top. You can have the weather up here. Just one USB-C, charging your laptop at the same time.